Okay, so AFH is our green plane. Now I want to name orange. So 3 points that are not in a straight line on orange. Any of them. Come on. BHJ. I am going to put a comma in between those planes, but if you haven't, like so, I just grouped my letters together and I did not put the word plane in front of them. That is okay as long as they're grouped together like that. I will count that correctly. If you want to write plane, write plane. Okay, I need someone else to answer for purple for me, please. 3 points not in a line. That'll work. C, D, and E. These are the easy ones, right? Answer the easy ones. So then Miss Shupak won't call you on the hard ones. All right, what about blue? Nobody? I have A, F, and G. A, F, and G. Remember, just they cannot be in a straight line. We are going to take a quiz over this today, so if you want to try to answer to see if you can answer correctly, now's the time to do it. Not during the quiz when you're asking me, is this right? I'm going to tell you I don't know. All right, what about the top? 3 points on the top that do not make a straight line. It could be 3 corners.
A, B, C.
A, B, and C. That'll work. A, B, C. And then my bottom. F, E, and D. Good. Questions on how to name a plane. Okay. Number 2, name 2 points that are coplanar. So what does coplanar mean? On the same plane. So we want 2 points that are coplanar to B. So here, B, H, and K. First thing you have to do is figure out what color, what plane are they all on? Green. So now I need 2 more points that are on green because that's what coplanar means. A and F. Okay, are y'all following how I'm getting these answers? Are y'all picking up what I'm putting down? Yes. Okay, A and F. Good. Name the lines that intersect at E. Name the lines that intersect at E. Here's E. Do I have any lines that come from E? F. So I have a line that goes from E to F. What else?
G.
From E to G. Is that it? E to D. So I highlighted all those lines. Now I need to name them. Because you guys told me F, G, and D, and that's not the right answer. Those are points. They want lines. F, E, good. What do I need to put on top of it? Now it is a segment. I know that they asked me for a line, but that our lines are segments. So that's what I'm not gonna put arrows. What's another one? E and G. Does it matter if I put E, G, or G, E? No. And then one more. D and E. What did you notice that they all have in common? They all have an E, right? That's what they wanted. They wanted them all to intersect at E, so they all had to have E in the answer. Okay, think about that. That's common, or that's not common sense, but that's patterns. So if E is in all the answers, that's where they intersect. What about this one? They're asking for an intersection at CD, so I'd be willing to bet C and D are probably going to be in my answers. All right. So which 2 planes intersect at CD? So find CD, highlight it if you have to, circle it if you want. There it is over there. 2 planes that touch at that line. You can tell me colors, you don't have to tell me letters.
Orange and purple.
Orange and purple meet at that line. So now that I know I have to do orange and purple, now I need 3 letters not in a straight line on purple. GCD. Same thing for orange. Corners, pick some corners. B, H, and C. Purple and orange. Remember I told you these were going to be a test question? That's two planes that meet at a line. All right, now two lines that lie in plane GEC. So find GEC. Which one is it? GEC. So purple. I need two lines that are on the purple box. ED and GC. Good. So are these really hard? Good. Good, good, good. So ED, don't forget your hats, and GC. These are not the only two answers either. There are multiple answers. There's two more answers to this.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, it's okay.
What is happening?
That's not a
If I
ringtone.
don't do it, I'll forget.
Okay, number 6. Let's see. Name a plane. Okay, so I know my answer is going to be a plane. Name a plane and a line. Okay, so two answers. That intersect at A. So find A. Let's see. I have a bunch of pink already on there. So here's A. I need a plane and a line. So the easiest thing to do first is the plane. Because how many planes intersect at A? 3, actually. 3. Blue, green, and top. So pick one. It doesn't matter. But that's going to determine where the line is. So blue, green, or top? Which one do y'all want to use? Blue. Okay, so let's name blue. So 3 points on blue. A, F, E. Okay, hold on. Give me a second. There we go. A, F, and E. Let me zoom out. All right, so that's my blue plane up here. Okay, so visualize the blue. Now I need a line that touches A that's not on the blue box.
B and K.
BK, that'll work. So BK is on the green box and it touches A. So that is correct. So plane AEF is my blue and it intersects at A with BK. Or you could put BA, whatever you want. Okay, as long as it's that little green line. Which points do plane ABC, okay, so let's tell me which colors or if it's top or bottom. So ABC, what plane is that? That is the top. All right. Then I have C, D, and E. That's the bottom. Really?
No.
C, D, and E. Oh, that is purple. Okay, so I'm going to just highlight that one. So I have top, purple, and then AGE. That's blue. So top, purple, and blue. What do they all have in common? The top, the purple, and the blue.
They don't have A. No. They all have G.
There it is, G. So purple and blue are here, and then the top, G is the only thing that everything touches. Does that make sense? Lots of visualization. Lots of visualization. A lot of my notes will be color-coded like this. A lot of my reviews will be color-coded like this because I am very visual. Okay. Last little bit. Use the diagram. So here we are again. We've got this little box. It says points S, O, and M. Here's S. Here's O. There's M. Are those coplanar? Do they lie on the same box?
No.
No. So, there are two answers to this, and I try not to put a lot of these on like tests and quizzes, but they exist. So, if I say no, then my justification has to be that they're not in the same plane. Not in the same plane. Now, if you remember from Friday, technically, if I connect these points, do they make a triangle? Yes. So can they make a plane? Yes, they can. Yes, and then I would have to say any 3 points not in a line make a plane. So 3 points that form, and we're just going to do shorthand. 3 points that form a triangle make a plane. So that's not official math terminology, but that's good enough for an answer for me. And I will count both of those correct as long as you give me some sort of reason why you answered that way. So if you can come up with, well, Ms. Schupak did say, as long as you can justify it, I'm going to count it right. Okay? If you just tell me yes or no, I'll probably just count half of it off because those are bad problems. I don't like that. All right, how many planes are shown? So this one, it actually tells you. I just want the ones that are shown. So it's a prism again. So there's a top and there's a bottom. And then how many sides? So how many total? 6. There you go. Top, bottom, front, back, left, and right. 6 of them. Okay. Remember I told you, test questions, they're always like this. Planes, L-O-N, so highlight if you need. L-O-N, that's my top. Okay. And P-Q-M, where's that? Is that the front? P-Q-M. Where do they touch? And? Now, it's not just the points, so what symbol do I have to put on them? It touches at the whole line, so it has to be a segment. Or if you put a line, I'll take that as well. But you have to put some sort of hat on there, some sort of line hat. And then lastly, this one's pretty easy. MQR, that's the side over here, pink. And ON, where does that touch? Where do the pink ones touch? At N, good. Good. And I just put this just so you know that this one's pink, and actually I'll do this. This one's orange. Questions? You think you can do it? Because this is what's on your quiz. Okay. So, I'm going to hand the quiz out. Today I'm going to let you use all your notes. So you can use today's notes, you can use the other set of notes that you have, okay? As long as you are working by yourself. If you feel like you need a calculator, which you don't, there's no numbers on this one. But if you feel like you need a calculator for some reason or another, you can get one. When you're done, I would like you to turn it into this box, and then your homework is right here. Second period, most of everybody finished. The only people that didn't finish were the ones that chose to sleep. And I get it, it's Monday. And I'm going to leave that on the board. I'm not looking to catch you today on this quiz. I'm looking to see what you know. And I want you to use your notes. Okay? I'm looking to see how much you're understanding. I love that we're color coding. We love the colors. And then once everybody's done with the quiz, I will let you work together again on the homework. They were very short and simple. It wasn't anything too crazy. All right. Oh my God. I will clarify something for you, but I just won't answer it. Okay, so if you need help with what it's asking or what a point is. 25 minutes in class, so plenty of time, no stress. Is that your phone again?
My phone?
Yeah.
No, my phone.
No. Oh. All in the. This one's just like the one I just told you. It's not showing, but technically you can make it just like that first one we just did.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and then just put not on the same time.
That's good though, you caught it. Still plenty of time. Yes. When you trace the line that you put, it needs to touch B.
Oh,
Okay?
I have a question. For this one, P, X, and R, T's right there, but then Q and L. Because if you think about it, O, S, R, T's in the middle, but Q's also right there.
Okay. So these are not lines. So maybe shade the box and see if it's a little bit more clear.
But then it would be Q.
They make the intersection. Well, shade the whole, instead of just the points, these points are on that bottom box. Then these points are OSR. That's the back. So where does the bottom meet the back? It wants the whole thing though, not just one point. So the bottom meets the back. That's that. So I can't help you anymore.
I think I got it. I think I got it.
We still have a couple of quizzes out. Still plenty of time. I think we get out of here at 28. So still like 15 more minutes. Does anyone still have their quiz? I think everybody turned it in. All right, so as long as you're not super loud, do you still have, are you done? Okay, in the box. As long as you're not super loud, you can work together, you can come ask me. As long as you're doing your assignment, you still, like I said, like 13 minutes now. So plenty of time still. You need to take a break. I know it's Monday. Take a break.